everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change language in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet. So once you open this app, you need to now type in the pin code number to get access to your account. So once you get access to your account, simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find the settings and support. Simply tap on it and then tap on the language option. Now you have to select a language and tap on the restart button. After the restart is done, you need to type in the pin code number once again and get access to find out that the language in your MyEtherWallet has been changed by simply following the on-screen prompts given. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.